Hello viewers, I'll be showing you how to prove that I cross product of j equal to k, j cross product of k equal to I, and k cross product of I equal to j, and all this. So I'm going to be showing you how to go about it and using a small diagram. So there's a solution. So we have this diagram now. We have this. And so let's call this our I. Let's call this our j. And let's call this our k. Okay. Now let's say that if we are moving in this direction, it is clockwise and we'll take it to be positive. Okay. But if we are moving in this direction, it is anti-clockwise and we'll take it to be negative. Okay. Having said that, now let's move from this side. So if we have to say moving from this side means we have, if we say I times j, it will give us k. We are moving from this side. Then this times this will give us I, and then this times this will give us j. So if we are moving in the positive side, let's see. So moving from I down here, so we say I times j, that is I cross product of j will be equal to k. I cross product of j, moving from this is positive now, so it will be equal to positive k because we are moving in the positive direction. So we are done with I cross product of j. So the next one will be j cross product of k. So we have j cross product of k. Since we are moving in the positive this way, so it will give us I, and then it will now be k. We are still moving this way, so it's positive, so will now be k cross product of I. So k cross product of I as k cross product of I will give us j. So we have j. So we are done taking it from the positive side. So let's consider the negative side, and so we are going to be moving this way now. We're going to be moving, so we are going to have I cross product of k. So we have I cross product of k will be equal to, this is, we are moving here, so I cross product of k will give us j, but this time is going to be minus j because we are moving in this anti-clockwise direction that we said is positive, is negative rather. So the next one will be k cross product of j. So we have k cross product of j. So that is going to give us k cross product of j. In the negative, we are moving this way now. We are moving this way. Is minus I. And then it will be left with this one to move this one. So we have j cross product of I will be, so j cross product of I, because we are moving in the anti-clockwise direction, will be minus k. So basically that is how to derive I cross product of j to be equal to k. We have it here. J cross product of k to be equal to I, we have it here, and k cross product of I, and the same thing applies to here. So what you do basically is to know that if you are taking this direction, it is positive, and then if you are taking the anti-clockwise direction, it will be negative. Thank you.